Hello everyone and welcome to AbaqusFEM. Today I'm excited to introduce one of the most comprehensive training package we've ever developed, underwater and underground explosion analysis in Abaqus. This package includes 30 advanced hand-on workshops that cover some of the most challenging and fascinating applications of the finite element analysis using Abaqus. Whether you're a graduate student, researcher, university professor, or practicing engineer, this package is designed to help you build practical skills that can be directly applied to research and industrial projects. Explosion analysis is one of the most demanding areas of computational mechanics. Unlike static or conventional dynamic problems, explosion generate extremely high pressure shock waves that travel through different media such as air, soil, rock, and water before interacting with nearby structures. These events involve large deformation, nonlinear material behavior, fluid structure interaction, contact, damage evolution, and in many cases, structural failure. Because of these complexities, performing accurate explosion simulation requires advanced numerical technique and a solid understanding of both engineering principles and Abaqus modeling strategies. In this package, you'll learn how to use several of Abaqus' most powerful analysis techniques, including coupled Eulerian Lagrangian, uh, Eulerian finite element approach, small particle hydrodynamic, and acoustic structure coupling for underwater explosion simulation. The workshop covers a wide variety of real engineering applications. You'll learn how to simulate explosion inside underground tunnel, analyze crater uh, formation caused by buried explosives, investigate the behavior of buried steel pipeline, and study response of the reinforced concrete tunnel subjected to internal explosion. The package also includes an advanced example involving pile foundation, ultra-high performance concrete tunnel protected with GFRP, CFRP transparent pipelines, explosion inside a rock, and explosion in the rock tunnel. For underwater explosion analysis, you'll model shock wave acting on submerged pipelines. Um, Here, for instance, you can see that, and floating structure, aluminum ship hull, marine sandwich panel, gravity dams, reinforced concrete, a slab cylindrical shell, offshore structure, and even ice sheet exposed to underwater explosion. Every workshop focuses on solving a real engineering problem rather than demonstrating isolated software commands. One of the biggest strengths of this package is the variety of the material models and constitutive law used through the simulation. For explosive material, you learn how to define TNT through JWL Equation of State, which is widely used to represent detonation product and blast wave generation. Concrete structure model using advanced constitutive models such as concrete damage plasticity, Johnson-Holmquist model, or JH2. You've also worked with structure steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, CFRP, GFRP, ultra performance concrete, soil, rock, stone, air, water, ACE, and several other engineering methods commonly used in the blast resistance design. In addition to the simulation techniques themselves, the package teaches the complete workflow for building reliable Abaqus model. You'll learn geometric creation, assembly, material definition, coding for the material, interaction, contact properties, meshing strategy, boundary condition, loading procedure, solver setting, post-processing, and result interpretation. The goal is not simply to help you reproduce existing model, but to give you the confidence to build your own advanced explosion simulation for further research and engineering project. Another important advantage of this package is everything that included after your purchase. You'll receive the complete CA file, input file, a step-by-step video tutorial, research paper, and the codes for the material. And uh, our objective at the AbaqusFEM has always been to bridge the gap between theory and the practical engineering by providing high-quality application driving training based on real-world problems. At the end here, we have the payment method. We accept all the payment method, and before that, the price is 157 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies as the payment method. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the uh, package content, anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.